Look what I got! Okay. I'm just super excited because this is a package, and in this package contains a pair of roller skates. And okay, let me just chill. The reason why I'm so excited is because this summer I wanted to take up a new hobby, which is roller skating. See, for every summer of my life, I've been playing softball. And I've been playing softball since I was 5 and all the way up until college. And now it was time for me to get a new hobby. I wasn't even playing rec ball because of Corona. So I was like, you know, I need a summer hobby that's gonna be fit and cool and awesome. And so I was looking into getting a pair of roller skates because my friend has one. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna get a pair. And I ordered my skates in May 10th to be specific. It is now
August 26th.
And they're a little late and the summer's a little bit over. So the summer hobby was out of the window, but maybe I could have a fall hobby now. But anyways, okay, I've been waiting for 3-4 months. Like my math there. I've been waiting 3 to 4 months for this, and every day since then I've been watching skate videos and looking up tricks and following skate people and psyching myself out to the point where I feel like I know I'm just gonna be so good because I spent so much time watching all the videos and I pretty much know all the tricks without even ever trying them. So they're really far back ordered because there's such a high demand of skates right now. But yeah, I finally got them. And we're gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna try to breathe like a normal person and not be too excited. Okay, let's open them. I can't wait any longer. Okay, so I ordered Impala Cynthia Rowley floral roller skates in size 10. I ordered them from Wicked Skatewear, which is a skate shop, third-party skate shop that they sell brands. And they were really awesome. Even when it was getting all back ordered and such, they responded to like all my inquiries. Impala was just taking a really long time to manufacture the roller skates. But I was able to pre-order skates in May and they finally came. Impala finally restocked Wicked Skatewear and they sent some to me. Let's open these bad boys up. Oh my god. Literally every day I would look outside and be like, where are my skates? Like, look for them. And I even bought pads from Wicked and they came about a month later. They came close to on time, and so I have pads. I got a helmet for my friend and I had everything to skate except for actual skates. Like, I was so ready. I got so pumped. And let me just stop talking because I can't believe I'm seeing this. Is it real? Am I dreaming? Okay, gonna just carefully. Ooh, I see a pretty box. Retail therapy, everybody. We're just gonna rip now. Okay, now we need to cut. Okay. Oh my god. Here's what I see so far. Now, I want to get this out of the way. I'm not a pro skater. I make crafts and I have been athletic in my past and I played a lot of sports, but I'm not going to be the one to tell you what to get or what to buy. I just looked that up from other people who've been skating longer. So We're, ooh. Ooh, sorry. I can't even talk. Okay. Ah, okay. Ooh. Ooh. Get that slow reveal. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, baby. Oh. Ooh, that girl's really pretty. Their box is so awesome. One of the reasons why I love this skate, I think like other people, is that they're just so cute. Like they have such good designs and stuff.
Ooh.
Okay. I just took a moment with my dear box and now I'm gonna open the box, okay? Ooh. They're so beautiful. Okay. Let me take one out carefully. Ooh. Oh, okay. I'll read that later. Ooh, those are pretty. Oh boy. Wow. Wow. Of course I had to get the floral because if you know me, I love floral, okay? And yeah, wow, they look awesome. They have a pretty like lavender color on the inside. I think the light's kind of switching it in the camera, but here's what they look like. It's fresh out the box. Real shiny and smooth. The wheels even have the same prints, and so do the laces. Oh, so I did see one girl's video or somebody else saying that the wheels don't roll too much when you first get them from Impala, so I should loosen them. And apparently I think you want it to roll more when you do that, but we'll see. Oh, let's try them on. Can't wait any longer.
I swear to God, if these don't fit and I wait 4 long months.
Okay, I'm not even gonna say it. They better fit. Moment of truth. Uh oh. Okay. Well, it doesn't fit, and that's because I didn't take that out. I was like, for a second. Okay. A perfect fit. Okay, okay. Hold it together. Let's make these tighten these bad boys. Oh, I don't even know what to say. They fit perfectly. Oh, I'm rolling already. Oh, okay. I can't even wait to stand up. Let's do the other one. The day is finally here. Watch, the first thing I do when I stand up, I'm just gonna like
Eat shit.
I'm gonna be like going so cocky because I watch like every video, skating video ever, and being like, I know what I'm doing. Nope. Okay, going in. Oh, the left foot fits too. Ah! Woo! Okay, okay. So I got size 10 and I wear a size 10 shoe and they fit perfectly. They fit. They fit. They fit. Well, okay, I haven't stood up yet and I'm a little scared to do that, but we're gonna try it. And now it's time to stand up. Moment of truth. Huh. Okay, how do I do this? Huh. Ooh. And I'm rolling. And I haven't. Ooh, I'm rolling. Okay. Okay. The next morning. Okay, so it is been a day since I got my skates and I'm back and I am a little bit more composed today and not as freaking out, but I'm still excited, and so now I'm ready to do my first rollout. I have spent hours studying the craft on YouTube in deep rabbit holes, and so I think I'm just gonna be so good right as I throw them on, right? What could go wrong? Safety precautions. While skating, you should not overestimate your own skills. Let's get geared up. Ooh, okay. Okay. I can go forward. I just don't know how to stop. Okay? Let me practice. Oh, that wasn't bad. That wasn't going. Ooh. Okay, now that I learned how to stop, let's go. If I need to stop, I'm just gonna go in grass. I can skate forwards. I can kind of stop. I can roll backwards. I can't skate now. But now it's time to kick it up a notch, and I thought I'm just gonna jump off there. Oh God. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! These bad boys work. I'm gonna just lay here a sec. Alright, time to jump and do some parkour on skates. I've never even done regular parkour, but why not? I got skates. Okay. Woo! I stuck it! Get the technique. Do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg, do the stanky. You didn't fall. Oh, I fell. That was cool. Why did I slide like a softball slide? Because you're a softball player. Brother, help me. Help me. No! Why?
Oh my gosh. Just take your skates off.
No, never. Oh, okay. Aha! So my first rollout I think went really well. I tried some tricks and I'll get better at them, but my skates didn't hold up too well when I went to the skate park. As you can see here, they are very easily scuffable, and on the back too. I had a little accident with this one. The shoelaces came untied and I rolled over them and it severed off the shoelace. So just after one skate session, these automatically aren't like what they used to be. I knew they're gonna get messed up, like I'm not worried about that, but yeah, they're very easily scuffable, and don't roll over your laces. You should tie them in double knots, and don't make my mistake in tying them into single knots. So yeah, take for that what you will, but I still am going to really enjoy these. I mean, I'm just a beginner, so we'll see. It honestly didn't even hurt that bad. I'm scared of heights! Okay. I'm a pro. Oh my god. I'm coming. I'm skating. I'm skating. I didn't have time to make toe guards. These are easily scuffable. If you didn't know, you need toe guards, okay? Okay, so I realize I am approximately 7 feet tall. That's okay. I've done everything else in my life being this tall. Well, I guess not this tall, but this tall minus skates, and we're just gonna try it. Let's do it.